van, and there's and have a door, a broken door. And bye bye. See you. My name is Nicholas Moss. Bye bye.
So hi, I'm April. It's been a while since our last vlog, and I thought of making behind the scenes again because it's gonna be Artisan Paperie's 14th year anniversary, and right now we are actually preparing the new journal kit that is coming for the anniversary. And I'm also thinking of having an actual workshop together with the kit as well. So for this kit, the theme or the title is called Love Like His. So I'm gonna tell more story about that once the kit is already finally done. But for now, we're gonna share with you how we prepare or how we made the journal kit. So let's go. Okay, so in this station is actually my working station, supposedly, because it's facing the window. However, right now it has become a sorting station. So these are the die-cut ephemeras that will be included in the kit. There will be, I'm not sure, I have to recount again, but it's around 70 pieces already. Tags and the journal cards are not included to that number yet, so it's gonna be probably 80 pieces of everything else. And then on top of that, there's gonna be a pattern paper, and of course the sticker sheet. Now this time I'm gonna have 3 different stickers that will be included, and on the side are my printers. So this printer is printing the pages, the dotted pages for the Pandagdag journal, and this one, it's printing the pattern paper. So yeah, let's have our coffee and join us as we create the journal kit right now. It's not working again.
Wow!
Oh, wait, don't touch it anymore. Don't touch it anymore.
The washi thing.
No, that's forced. It should stick here.
Why?
See it all? It's not sticking. What's wrong with this?
Ah! It's fine. Mama? Mama?
Hi. What are you doing?
I'm sticking.
Are you checking the stickers?
Yes.
Are they sticking well?
Yes. They're sticking well.
Are you done sticking the stickers on your toy?
No. Yes.
Okay.
And I'm not yet done with the wall.
Okay. You have a very big wall to stick onto. A package arrived today. So I got some photo paper because I want to print my photos from our vacation and from the wedding. And then I got some holographic stickers that I want to try on. These are actually, these two are actually new to me. I haven't tried this kind of stickers yet, but I've been using this brand, the Cuff, for the transparent stickers, this one. So I'm quite excited for this because I'm quite excited for this other two, especially for this one because it's holographic. So it has this rainbow looking filter, and I have a very good plan for this one, so I'm hoping I can pull it through. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm quite tired from, in a way, not so productive. So I was just able to cut the tags. The journal cards are still pending. So yeah, I think for now that's it, and tomorrow again. So it's another day today, and right now I'm still printing some of the stickers, and this one I'm trying out the button pins. So I'm checking out, I made 5 designs, but I think I like this one. And then after I'm gonna make the charm as well. Which one do you like? Which design? The yellow one? Okay. The blue one? Such a waste of sticker and a photo top, ink, and time and effort. And this is what you get. So sometimes, actually not just sometimes, most of the times, this happens a lot. Okay, so the charms are already done. I'm just gonna clean this up with a jewelry cloth and then just pack it up. And then button pin is also done. The problem though is I only have few pieces of this size, so I'm just gonna check how am I gonna make more button pins with this design. And I'm quite excited for this because this is the third button pin collection that I have, and I really like the design of this. Then the waterproof sticker is also good. As for the journal, Sheila is binding this one, and after she binds this, she's gonna cut it after. So this is what it looks like if it's raw, so we still have to cut this one. Alright, I'm gonna show more about the collection once we're all done, and in the meantime, this is all about it. And lastly, this is what our wall looks like. from Nicholas's sticker bombing our wall the last time. Okay, so that's it for this week, and I hope you enjoy the quick behind the scenes of how we design or how we made the journal kit. I'll share more about this next week, hopefully, and in the meantime, have a great weekend, guys. Bye.